Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. Today video title is guys how to unpair Bluetooth earphone to our Vivo phone guys. Vivo Y21 A phone guys. You want to unpair this Bluetooth earphone to your phone so you can unpair. So let's see how to unpair. But before starting video friends, I want to tell you if you're new in my channel and you are watching my video first time. So first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. Sorry friends. First of all open your phone setting. Guys scroll it and guys come on Bluetooth and device. Then guys you can see Bluetooth. So you can see that this Bluetooth earphone I have pair but I want to unpair. So you can see this icon setting. Click, then guys click on forget and device. So with this Bluetooth earphone will unpair in your Vivo phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to unpair Bluetooth earphone to our phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching our video. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. If you want guys, please go and like or subscribe my channel. Bye.